Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to build and grow a garden too. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, in this grow a garden too, if you want to build something, you need to buy cosmetic items. Same with the grow a garden one. You need to go to the props shop right here and buy a crate to get a cosmetic item, and I've already purchased the leather crate guys, and we can open the crate in our garden. Just tap on the crate and it will be immediately opened, so we don't need to wait to open the crate unlike the grow a garden one. And after you get the cosmetic, you can go to the build menu and select build, and you can choose the prop inventory that you want to place in your garden. I have this ladder and I'm going to place it here. Okay, like this. If you want to place, click on this icon, and if you want to for example, if you want to move it, just click on the move icon. Oops, where is my ladder? Oh, it's right here. Sorry guys, it's here. I'm going to remove it first. Oh my god. Wait, hold on. Okay, if you want to remove it, just click on the cosmetic like this. You can also move it or turn it around. And if you want to remove, just click on this remove icon like this and tap again on the cosmetic. Okay guys, and that's how you can build and grow a garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.